As an online seller, you probably have a lot on your plate. So you may be wondering, how on earth am I going to fulfill my marketplace orders more efficiently? Well, that's exactly what Walmart Fulfillment Services is for. Now, with one of the world's largest supply chains, we are uniquely positioned to help you grow a successful business on Walmart.com. Alright, so it breaks down like this. WFS picks, packs, and ships items to customers. We also handle returns, customer service, and replacement handling so that you can stay focused on sales. So with our online tools and dedicated WFS support team available 7 days a week, we make sure your business runs smoothly no matter what comes up. And best of all, you get all of this at an industry-leading price point so that you can take home more of your hard-earned profits. And it doesn't stop there. There are tons of extra benefits to using WFS. With our transparent pricing, you'll pay for storage and fulfillment based on your item's weight and dimensions. But if you're looking to cut down on time and costs, you can take advantage of reduced inbound shipping rates through the Walmart Preferred Carrier Program, or outsource inventory prep to WFS Prep Services. We'll label and polybag items for you so they're properly received and stored at our fulfillment centers. And just so you know, WFS items are displayed with Fulfilled by Walmart tags on Walmart.com. Eligible standard size items also get a 2-day shipping tag to help increase product visibility and conversion. Also, we never commingle your items with other sellers, which means customers will pretty much only receive your items. But listen, don't take our word for it. Our performance dashboards and reports will analyze your sales so that you yourself can go compare how items are performing. And at the same time, we give you our inventory recommendations for top-selling items. Alright, so now that we covered all the benefits of using WFS, let me show you how to get started. First things first, go in and create a Walmart Marketplace account if you don't already have one. Then add your WFS details into Seller Center. And once you're all set up, you can build your product catalog and just ship us your inventory. Simple as that. So now the question becomes, which items do you choose to bring to WFS? Listen, as long as they meet our product requirements, we recommend to choose items that have performed well on other marketplaces. This includes best-selling items you might already be fulfilling yourself on Walmart Marketplace. And keep in mind, WFS fees don't apply until your inventory is stored at our fulfillment centers, meaning you can go list items and try it out for yourself. We look forward to helping you scale your business. Visit our Seller Help page at sellerhelp.walmart.com to learn more.